black,
white,
blue,
pink,
boy,
girl,
man,
woman,
engineer,
doctor,
toy car,
Barbie doll,
bank,
skirt,
office,
kitchen,
strong,
emotional,
muscular,
curvy,
beard,
bra,
penis,
vagina,
cis male,
cis female,
heterosexual,
homosexual,
sex.
gender.
But hey, what's the difference between them? Oh, that seems to be the mere absence of sex education. That's why many of us aren't able to distinguish between what is sex and what is gender. So here's the question before us. What is gender?
Do you know that sex education was widely opposed and removed in states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa? There are three categories to this conversation of sex-gender distinction, that are biological sex, gender identity, and sexual orientation. While majority of the time, people confuse with what is sex and what is gender.
Exactly. Biological sex can be defined on the basis of X and Y chromosomes. Males have XY while females have XX. Some people are, however, born intersex. That is, they do not have a typical XY or XX combinations. Intersex, for example, can appear as a female but can have a male anatomy inside. So, we are all assigned a sex at the time of our birth: male, female, or intersex.
That's right. Whereas the problem comes with gender being a social construct which seeps not only into roles a man and a woman has to perform, but also to what clothes to wear, color, career paths, and which toys both the gender should actually play with. Funny, right? Many people consider gender to make a binary between what is mardo wali and what is ortho wali things, which is on the basis of gender assigned at birth. But basically, gender is what you feel about yourself.
So that means if one, for example, is assigned male from birth and identifies himself as male, should be considered a cisgender or cismale. And one, if assigned as male at birth but identifies himself as a female, should be considered as transgender, right?
Correct. Many transgender may be uncomfortable with their genitals, considering that their genitals are not wholly representative of the gender they identify with. Whereas there can be other transgender who can be fine with their genitals but not comfortable with the other roles or attributes of the assigned gender.
How uncomfortable and confusing this journey can be for some transgenders. A person assigned as male and identifies as a female is called a trans woman, and the person assigned as a female and identifies as a male can be a trans male.
Well, that certainly proves that our biological sex does not coincide with the gender identity. They are very, very different.
But then, how orientation comes into the picture?
Well, sexual orientation can be defined as who can we be attracted to. Those who are attracted to the opposite gender are heterosexual, and those who are attracted to the same gender are homosexuals. You know what Kamla Basin ma'am said? If a woman can cook, so can a man. Because women do not cook with the womb.
A crisp conclusion, I would say.
I trust we all must have gained something from this video. What do you think? Comment below and let us know.
Have doses of learning and unlearning with our new videos every Thursday. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching us.